Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm here at Glorietta Mall in Makati City. So please join with me guys at papasyalan din natin ang Greenbelt, SM and Landmark since magkatabi lang naman sila at may mga direct links na elevated walkways. Kaya very convenient. Okay guys, let's go! For your information guys, Glorietta is a shopping mall complex in Ayala Center, Makati, Metro Manila. The mall is owned by Ayala Land and operated through its subsidiary, the Ayala Malls. The mall is divided into 5 sections, named Glorietta 1 to 5, and contains many shops and restaurants, as well as cinemas, a gym, arcades, and a large central activity center, often used to stage events. Glorietta 1 to 4 is integrated with the nearby Greenbelt, SM Makati, Roxas Makati, and the Landmark. Glorietta 5 is fully detached, located in front of the lot formerly occupied by an open parking area between Hotel Intercontinental Manila and Roxas department store. Okay guys, punta na tayo sa Landmark at didiretso na rin tayo sa Greenbelt. Ayan na ang Landmark guys at ganun ka convenient mag-malling dito. Hindi na kailangang bumaba ka pa sa ground or lumabas para lang pumunta sa other malls. Dadaan lang tayo dito sa Landmark department store guys at didiretso na tayo sa Greenbelt by using the elevated walkways. Andito na tayo guys sa elevated walkways at ang haba pa nito until Makati Med area. Ang ganda at linis ng walkways nila dito, pang world class talaga at may escalator pa. Welcome to Greenbelt guys at sisilipin din natin yung park nila. FYI guys, Greenbelt is a shopping mall located at Ayala Center, Makati, Metro Manila, which is just near Glorietta and SM Makati. It is owned by Ayala Malls, a real estate subsidiary of Ayala Land, which is an affiliate of Ayala Corporation. It opened in 1988 and is one of Ayala Corporation's flagship projects. The mall offers a mix of high-end retail shops, restaurants, amenities, leisure, and entertainment. Currently, the mall has 5 sections, 2 enclosed areas, 2 buildings with open-air shopping areas, and Greenbelt 5, which opened in 2007. Tingnan natin ang Greenbelt guys kung gaano kaganda at night. At pagkatapos punta na tayo sa SM Makati. Daan ulit tayo dito guys sa Landmark Department Store at Glorietta towards SM Makati. Welcome to SM Makati guys. FYI guys, SM Makati has a direct link to Ayala Center Metro Station. So hindi na kailangan lumabas or bumaba sa ground kung tayo ay mag-train. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Keep safe everyone.